If you recall from the beginning, I mentioned that NodeRED is based on Node.js, which means it can be expanded with other nodes written by pretty much anyone. And sometimes you'll want to import a new node that is not included here on this palette. And I'll show you how to do that in this video. So we'll go over here to the hamburger menu and say Manage Palette. Okay, the palette is this thing here on the left, and we want to manage that. And here we could see all of the nodes that or packages that are installed. So these are NPM packages, they're Node.js packages. And these are the ones that are installed. You could see the version number and you could see how many nodes it includes. And you could even click on there and see what nodes are included in that package. Pretty cool. But if we want to install a new one, we'll go here to the Install tab, and then we could search for a new module. And just to demonstrate it, I'll search for the omxplayer. And omxplayer is a nice way to play video files on the Raspberry Pi. And you can see right here, there is a node available for that. NodeRED Contrib Pi omxplayer. Great. So we'll just click Install. And then they'll give you this little warning to make sure that any dependencies that this package depends on are installed in your configuration. I think the best way to do this is just to install it and give it a test. And if everything works, then you're okay. If you do run into problems, then this is where you would have to look. You'd look deeper into that package and see if it has any dependencies that you may not have. So we'll just install that for now. And then you could give it a test and see how it works. Now, while that's installing, let me show you a little more about what's going on, right? We're just installing this thing from the internet. Maybe I want to know more information about it. So you could probably click on that, that arrow right there, and that'll take you to NPM, or I could just bring you there now. So we'll go to npmjs.com, so that's Node Package Manager, and we'll search for that package. omxplayer, there it is. And here we get some information about how popular it is and what version is the latest, maybe what the license is. And right here is the link to the GitHub repository for that package. So we could even click on that. We could watch it and start. We could open issues with the creator of that. We could fork this project and create our own version of it. And you could even maybe get some more information, and you could even look at the source code. So you could see exactly what's going on and make sure that no funny business is happening inside of that package. So that's one of the more powerful things about Node.js and NPM is the ability to share nodes and create your own new nodes and work and start from other people's work and expand on that. All right, so it looks like this is installed now, and we'll go down here. We could say filter nodes, and we'll just search for OMX, and look, there it is under the Raspberry Pi. That's where he stored it, under the Raspberry Pi heading, omxplayer, and then you could pull that guy in there, and you'll see here in info, you'll get all sorts of information on how to use it. And that's how you install new nodes on NodeRED.